students. Today we will discuss factual description. We meet dozens of people every day. Every individual is different from the rest in one way or the other. People have their distinctive features, physical appearances, style, looks, habits, and dressing preferences. In fact, every person is a different individual, distinct from all others in the world. It is our observation how minutely we can describe his distinctive features. In this video, we will learn or describe about persons. For this, I'll discuss vocabulary chart that may help you find appropriate expressions to describe a person's physical features and other character traits. Clear? Here you can see, for describing people, if you want to describe his or her height, then you can use tall, short, medium height, about 160 centimeter tall or 150 centimeter tall. Then you can talk about his or her build, that whether he or she is slim, thin, plump, fat, skinny, well built. In the same way, young age, whether he or she is young, elderly, middle aged, face, round, oval, square, pale, with scars or wrinkles. Then we can talk about his or her eyes, that whether she has big eyes, round eyes, small, bright eyes, blue colored eyes, pale eyes. Then we can talk about their hair, whether they have bald, straight, curly hair. Then we can talk about their clothes, casual, shabby, smart, tidy, messy. Along with it, we can talk about their character traits, whether they are careful, hardworking, worried, cheerful, broad-minded, active, curious, aggressive, tough, careless, practical, sensible, independent, strong-minded, stupid, dull, boring, imaginative, ambitious, crafty, sensitive, gentle, generous, loyal, self-controlled, moody, trusting, friendly, energetic, confident, selfish, stubborn, intelligent. Sometimes we want to talk about people, but we don't at that moment. No new vocab came into our mind. So you can learn this vocab and you can use while describing people. Here we will see some pictures carefully. Here you can see one girl. She is skinny. Look at that girl. She is skinny. This girl, she is slim. Now you can see a boy here. He is looking obese or overweight. That muscular boy, and this girl is about 160 centimeter tall. Clear? Now some more pictures. Look at this girl. She has curly hair and she has dark complexion. Next, boy or a man has mustache, then a man has beard, a man has long sideburns, a bald person who is in his 50s, then attractive girl having long hair, then a person wearing spectacles, person having pimples on his face, girl having narrow eyes, a girl having blonde hair. Now we will discuss one picture so that you will come to know how to describe pictures. The man in the picture is about 45 years old. He has an oval shaped face with receding hairline. His eyesight seems to be weak as he is wearing spectacles on his nose. He keeps an uneven grey beard. He has wrinkles on his forehead and certain lines of stress on his face. However, he has a good dressing sense. Clear, students? So in this way, you can describe any person to whom you like or to whom you don't like. Clear? As today I have told you to write down one of your favorite character. Clear? In the same way, you can describe your friend, your enemy, your favorite cricketer, your favorite singer. Clear? So your homework is to describe any of your two favorite characters. Clear, students? Thank you and have a nice day ahead.